Hello everyone, it's me Adrian. Today is 11th of October and I will try to solve the today's Sudoku on sudoku.coach website. Let's see what we can do. As usual, I will explain all the steps, so if you are a beginner, to learn something. It was published 12 hours ago. It's not hard, it's less than hard. Let's see how that goes. Okay, as usual, I start with the logical candidates that I can fill in. So 1, I don't see anything. 2's, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, no. 5's, yes, I can fill a 5 in here. And what else? This no, this 2. Yes. 6, no, mistake. I should click on number 6, not to fill the candidate. With 6 I can't fill anything. Let me mute my phone. Okay. 7. Zang zang. 2 7's in here. 8, nothing, and 9. 9, 2, 9 in here. Here. Okay, I think I will fill the notes. So I was able to fill only one candidate. This is unusual for an easy puzzle. I don't know why they say it's easy. Let's see if we fill the notes. First, do we have any obvious singles, hidden singles? I don't see any. So let's check them one by one. I don't see locked candidates. Let's see 2. Number 2. Number 2. No. Number 3. Yes, locked candidates. I can, so these are unique on this row, so we can eliminate these 2 from here. These 2 3's. Took them out. Okay. What else? Let's see, number 4. Unique 4 here. Locked candidates here, so we can eliminate this, this, and this. So 1, 2, 3, take them out. Okay. What else? Locked. No, let's go to number 5. These are locked. We can eliminate this 5, so we are left with this one. Okay. And this one, and that's it for the moment. Let's see number 6. Nothing obvious. Number 7. Yes, locked candidates. We can eliminate these 2. This is an X-wing formed by these 4 candidates, but it doesn't help anything. When you have an X-wing, you can eliminate everything from the row and the column, but we are not lucky. Let's see number 8. Number 8, we have an obvious single, hidden single there. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Let's see number 9. Locked, locked. We can take out this one and we are left with this one. And we have a obvious single here. And I go back to 9. We have a 2. I think it's broken. 1 6 1 6. Naked pair. So we can eliminate in this block the 1 and 6 from here, and we are left with a 3. Wrong cell selected. So here we have a 3. Naked pair on this column, we can eliminate all the 1s and 6. Here we can take out the 6 and we are left with a 2. And here we have a 2. Here we have a 6. 1, 3, 8, 4, 9, 7. I think the puzzle is broken. I think we have an 8. It's pretty easy at this stage. 7 6 7 6, another naked pair, so we can eliminate the 6 and we are left with 1. We have a single 6 in here. 1. Yeah, I think it's done. So in 6-7 minutes with the talking. 8 4 3 4 3, another naked pair. We can eliminate the 4 from here, and we have 1 7 1 7, but we have a 4 in here. 6 3 4 8 5 4. Yeah, it's just ticking the boxes. Okay, so this is an easy puzzle. 7 6 9. Yeah. So guys, it was a pleasure for me to show you how we can solve it. It was nothing complicated with this one. All the easy steps. Only locked candidates, triples, pairs, obvious singles, and that was pretty much. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.